input keyword in your URL and description. And one more thing, after visiting your website, I think you should implement there. You should keep a review section in your website. Or when someone purchase your product, then he can give you a review in your website.
Okay.
Okay, and that is on-page SEO. To do on-page SEO, you have to give me uh, a designation of your website. Is it Shopify or any other site?
So I do use Wix as the website host.
Oh, I see. Uh, did you build up yourself? Or did you have?
So there's a website called Wix, Wix, and it's kind of like Shopify.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem at all. Um, and then we have to, after completing on page, we have to focus on off page SEO. Off page SEO like backlink. Backlink, that's mean, let me clear you one backlink. There are lots of kind of backlink available. Google recommend a best as all kind of backlinks. So uh, guest post is one of the best backlink. Guest post is a kind of backlink like we will go another website who are also talking about like your if you want to grow a fashion keyword, we will go men's fashion or women fashion, but women clothes talking website who are talking about women pant or jeans. We will go there and we will publish our article and also place a anchor in text URL so that that website visitor can click after reading the content, they click the link and they will redirect to your website. And if they are satisfied or if they are interested in your product, they will definitely purchase your product.
Okay.
This is a way. Another way, if we can rank your website keyword. Do you know about keyword?
I do know about keywords. Yeah, I'm not quite sure where to add them in, honestly.
Okay, let me explain in details. Uh, iPhone 14 Pro cover. Okay, lots of people buy iPhone 14 Pro cover. So it can be a keyword iPhone 14 Pro cover customize logo. It can be our product, and our keyword can be our iPhone 14 Pro cover. So if people search iPhone 14 Pro cover, then they should get our website at first top page. If they got, and they will go to our website and purchase our product. That is
Okay.
SEO.
So like yeah, so like when you go to like when you buy on Amazon, sometimes you'll see
Yeah,
it
yeah.
say like a really long title, like iPhone 14 Pro case cover, 15 waterproof, and like all these other words.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And one more thing, it's about technical SEO. Technical SEO is a part of, we have to connect our website, we have to connect our website, Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a product of Google which help to Google boost to crawl our website and index. Indexing means Google can show our website in details to searcher who are searching uh, using keyword.
Okay.
That is totally SEO. And another thing of SEO that is called local SEO. Local SEO is important for a local service provider. It is not relevant for you. If you want, I can talk about local SEO. Would you like
Sure.
to? Okay. Local SEO is help for our local service provider like plumbers and restaurant and and stores, like they are selling any product in local area. That is
Mhm.
helpful for local people. Like I will share your website various local directories and local websites to connect your local people. That is called
Okay.
local SEO. And I think a local SEO is not important for you. For you important on page, off page, and technical SEO.
Okay. I think that would make sense. Yeah, that's probably not the one I would want to use. Yeah.
Okay. Um, so what is your opinion about what is your plan to grow your website?
So I mean, I was doing like the Google AdWords for a little bit,
Yeah,
but well, not the AdWord, like you know how you can do the Google ads, right?
yeah,
But that started costing so much money, and I just like wasn't getting like
yeah.
I was getting traffic, but I wasn't getting like
Sell.
people that like
Yeah,
sales. Yeah. So I guess like whatever. So I've just kind of been looking for stuff like that's going to have a good conversion rate, right? So
yeah,
for traffic to sales, but the census is kind of like it's kind of like a side thing for me. So it's like I don't have an insane amount of money to put towards like I can't put like hundreds and hundreds of dollars towards advertising, and especially when you have competition that does that, so it can make it a little bit harder. I mean, there's little things I'd like to do to boost its visibility and things like that, but
yeah. I understand. Google ad is expensive, but SEO. One more thing, SEO is a lengthy process. You can't accept a result within a month or within 2 months. It takes around 3 months to 6 months to get result. It takes time to gradually update.
oh, gotcha. So the Google AdWords basically do take some time. I did
No,
read
no, no, no,
somewhere that
no,
it
no.
takes.
It's not.
Oh,
It's not Google AdWord.
you
It's
mean the SEO?
SEO, right, right.
Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, so it's more of like a you do the SEO, set it up,
Yeah,
and then kind of let it do its thing for a few months.
yeah, yeah. Also, though, YouTube SEO, I saw your video with AK Technology, and I think you already hired him. So, after getting his result, give me a feedback about him. If you are
Yeah,
okay with him, please continue with him. If you are not okay, let me know.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, like I said, they just started
Yeah,
the AK Technologies, so I'm gonna try to give them a chance, because I told them I would, and if they're able to help me out, then that's awesome. If not, then like I said, I would definitely contact you on that.
okay.
So.
Um, so, do you want to grow your website by SEO method?
Yeah, I mean, I do want to do it. I mean, like I said, it would be very dependent on how much like stuff like that would cost me and like what, you would charge. So,
Uh, wait, I just I have three packages: basic, standard, and premium packages. I'll send you a link after this meeting. You check them properly, and then we can talk about it.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very nice. I mean, I mean, I'd have to talk about it with my wife and, talk
Okay.
about our finances and see if that's something we want to go forward with. But yeah, I'd appreciate, seeing your packages.
Okay. But remember one thing, it's a very important for most of the people think SEO if, at a night they get result from SEO. It's not SEO.
Yeah. Yeah, they think it's going to be like an overnight
Uh,
and
yeah,
you
yeah,
get a million sales. Yeah, no, I know. Like I'm not I'm realistic with that kind of stuff. You got to let the algorithm, get you in and
yeah, yeah. We have to focus keywords and we have to rank keywords so that people, if the people search using that keyword, they can got our website at fast and they will go to our website. Day by day our traffic will be increased, and traffic increase means our sales will be also increased.
Very nice. Yeah, no, I mean, that sounds like something, like I said, I'd be interested in doing. Like I said, depending on the prices and, I'd like to, try moving forward with something like that. Cause
Yeah.
I did talk about that a little bit with the AK. I think I saw you on Fiverr. I
Really?
think yeah, because I was looking at Fiverr like for stuff like this, and I think I did see your actual listing. That's
What a
funny.
coincidence.
Yeah, very interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
As soon as I saw this, I was like, wait a second. I think I saw this.
What is your Fiverr name?
My Fiverr name is I believe it's Hobo Cheese. Yeah, it's Hobo Cheese. It's like the same as my YouTube. So it's at Hobo Cheese. Like it's all one word.
Okay, I'll try to catch you on Fiverr.
Yeah, there you go. That's funny.
It's really funny.
Monthly offer package. Oh, okay. So this is the packages you have.
Yeah, it is a little bit packages for Fiverr people who don't have any trust about SEO. Lots of people told me is SEO is a scam.
Why
Lots
would people tell you SEO is a scam?
lots of people they think they can generate more traffic overnight, so they don't have patience. For that reason they ask, is SEO is a scam?
No, I don't think SEO is a scam. I mean, there's an actual algorithm
Yeah,
that
it's like,
pulls these
yeah,
keywords out. So I mean, just in like my YouTube stuff, like
yeah,
SEO at least there is like insanely important. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
Uh, Otherwise, your videos don't get pulled to the top and stuff, and
yeah, this
then
is right.
nobody will see it.
Yeah, SEO helps to search engine, like it can be Google search engine or YouTube search engine. It helps to search engine to gather information so that the audience can see easily if they search, or the Google would or YouTube would uh, recommend the audience to result what they are searching.
Hmm, hmm.
You can see if we search about any cosmetics or any gadgets, YouTube and Google also show me that kind of a product.
Hmm. Can you explain to me what a guest post is?
Okay, guest post is a kind of
Gotcha.
sometimes it's price quality backlink. It can be priced around $100 to $200. You can see in my profile that is it started from $25 to $30.
Hmm.
Because of lots of people don't want to spend money beginnings. For that reason, uh, those size also good, but if we expense more money, we'll get more feedback.
I see. Yeah, no, yeah, that's what I figured. I
Okay.
mean, if I were to do any of these, I'd probably try the standard package. Um, if I'm being honest with you, just because I'm really interested in these backlinks that you're talking about.
Okay. Uh,
So,
you can
mm,
see I mentioned and segregated what kind of backlink I provide in that backlink packages. It's started from $50, and I forgot about a standard package.
yeah, I see it here. Okay. Hmm. Oh wow, yeah, and you do a lot of sharing on different websites. Very nice.
Yeah.
Hmm. No black hat, no toadies. Okay, very cool. All right. Well, let me talk it over with my wife.
Okay.
I don't really get paid until Friday anyways.
Okay.
So right now I have no money. But once I do, I mean, yeah, I can properly discuss like, maybe purchasing one of these, and
Okay. Okay.
if I decide to go forward with it, I'll let you know on
Okay.
Friday.
Take your time. I also have another package for my outside clients who are not in Fiverr or Upwork, they have some restriction. And
Okay.
then for that reason, I created a packages for outside of clients. So I will also send it on your email.
Oh, very nice. Okay. I mean, yeah, that'd be really nice. Well, that's awesome. I mean, I think it's really professional that you reached out and, took the time to meet with me. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right. Well, sir, I think I have all my questions answered. Your service looks pretty good. I'm interested to see how it work. I mean, you definitely have piqued my interest with this.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I don't have any question. And it says you said I know about your business.